Today I'm gonna show you how to make reducer. So let's say we have duct 16 by 8 and we need to make reducer to 14 by 8. What I'm usually doing, I'm marking 10 inch here and 2 inch here. So it's gonna reduce from here up to here. Then I'm taking roller or S clips or drive clips and marking line. Then take your snips and cut. Now we have cut, and also I like to cut this piece out. Make the same on other side. Mark 10 inches and 2 inches here. Make a line. And cut. Also cut this piece out, so it's not going to be on the way of S-clips. Then push this in, so it's going to be even here and here, and shoot couple screws. Do the same on other side. And that's it. Now we have reducer. So here we have 16 inches and here we have 14 inches and it's ready for install.